To change watermark font style on the camera app on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, open camera app and then tap setting icon at the top left. Under picture section, tap watermark. Under style section, tap font. And then select the desired font style you like to use. As you are changing the font style, you can see how the font will look like when it's applied on the watermark preview. If you are happy with your selection, tap the back key twice. To see the result, take a picture and then tap the picture thumbnail to view it on the gallery app. As you can see, now the watermark on your photo is using the selected font style. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.